Hi guys, today we will talk about Remember by Jimi Hendrix, and now we will take a look to the intro part. We start with the 3rd string 4th fret and 5th string 5th fret, sliding to the 6th and 7th fret. So we have a slide, then we go back and then again slide. Then we go on the 3rd string 4th fret and we have hammer on and pull off. So 4th fret and 6th fret. So again from the beginning. Then we go on the 4th string 7th fret. So again from the beginning, very slowly. Then we slide on the 5th string 9th fret and 4th string 7th fret. Still 4th string 9th fret to the 11th fret. Then we have this chord, which is first inversion of A triad. Then we go from A triad to G triad, first inversion. And then D triad, second inversion. So I will play slowly again this part. Then we have 5th string, 7th fret, hammer on to the 9th fret. And 4th string, 7th fret. So I will play again slowly this part. Then we have our first chord, which is A major. So 6th string, 5th fret with the thumb. And A major triad. So then ring finger on the 6th string, 7th fret, slide to the 9th fret. 5th string, 7th fret, 9th fret, pull off on the 7th fret. And again hammer on 9th fret. So then E major, similar pattern. This time we are on the 5th string. Slide from the 9th fret to the 11th on the 5th string with a ring finger. 4th string, 9th fret, and 11th fret, pull off, hammer on. So again, I will play from the E major. We have the same thing on the D chord. And back to A major. Then, to close, we have a little bit different rhythm pattern, which is now, guys, I will play again very slowly the intro part and the A part. Now guys, let's take a look to the solo part. double stops here on the second string and first string, 7th fret. Then we go on the third string, 6th fret, and second string, 7th fret, hammer on the third string, 8th fret, 2 times. We slide third string, 8th fret, to the 6th fret. Hammer on, pull off. Still 4th string, slide to the 6th fret and slide from the 3rd string, 6th fret, to the 8th fret. Again, slowly this part. The next 3 bars. Second string, 7th fret, hammer on to the 9th fret. 2 quarters of rest, then 8th note rest, and we have again this hammer on from the 7th to the 9th fret, 2nd string. Then we slide on the 3rd string, 6th fret, and again hammer on 4th fret to the 6th fret. Next bar, again double stops. And then we have a very typical rock blues lick. We are on the minor pentatonic of B. 3, 4. Next bars. And then again double stops. Now guys, I will play the solo part very slowly. 3, 4.